In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to export WhatsApp chat to PDF on a computer. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to export your WhatsApp chat to PDF on a computer. To convert a WhatsApp chat into a PDF, you must first export the chat from your phone. Then you have to share the exported file from your phone to computer. Then we will be able to export the chat to PDF. Let's see how to do that. So first of all, go to your mobile device and go to the WhatsApp application and open the chat, which chat you want to print. Now tap on the chat name at the top, and here you have to scroll down and tap on export chat. And here you can select export chat with media, or you can select without media. So in my case, I'm selecting here attach media. And we can see the chat successfully exported here. Now we have to share the file to our computer. So select here the mail option. And now in this to field, we have to add our computer email address. So just go ahead and add your computer email address and send the mail. Once the mail successfully is sent on your computer, go to your browser and just open the Gmail and make sure to select the exact Gmail account and come to inbox, and here open the mail, and here we can see the WhatsApp chat file. So just click on download and we can see the chat file successfully downloaded. Now go to File Explorer, go to downloads, and here is the zip file. We have to unzip the file first of all, then open the file, and here we can see the chat.txt file. Now we have to open this chat.txt file using our Microsoft Word. So right click on this file and click on open with and select Word. And we can see the entire chat successfully open with Microsoft Word. Now press Ctrl P and here select your printer, and under settings go ahead and adjust the settings, and then just click on print, and that's how you'll be able to easily print your WhatsApp chat in your computer. Thanks for watching.